welcome to my video channel. In this video, I am giving you the invitation to attend the international conference that St. Joseph's College is organizing along with Gene Research Foundation of Dr. Agarwal Hospitals. St. Joseph's College is one of the oldest colleges of Karnataka. It has a history of 136 years and the college has been conferred with College of Excellence Award by UGC. The college has conducted several conferences of national and international level in the past. This conference is a unique conference because this is going to be both online and offline. Moreover, the conference is being conducted during the COVID pandemic period. Gene Research Foundation is a research organization founded by Dr. Sunita Agarwal of Agarwal Hospitals. Both St. Joseph's College and Gene Research Foundation of Dr. Agarwal Hospitals are jointly organizing this international conference ISGCT 2021 on 26th and 27th February 2021. The conference will be held in the auditorium of St. Joseph's College for 2 days, that is on 26th and 27th. The online mode of the conference is totally free. You have to just register and participate in the conference. Whereas the offline mode, we are collecting a nominal fee of only 50 rupees for the offline mode. The registration process for both online and offline mode is very simple. Go to YouTube and go to my YouTube channel Dr. Jairam Reddy St. Joseph's College. Subscribe, take the snapshot of the subscription and send it to the email ID given to you. All the details are available in this video. If you want any clarifications, any details, if you want any further details, the email ID and the phone numbers are given in the video. Please contact us. We will be happy to guide you. Thank you very much and welcome to the conference and welcome to the Garden City of Bangalore in India.